Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Be in Terrace. Dianthus is such a winter flower that you can save throughout the year, but during summer you have to take some special care. The care during winter and summer is totally different. In this video I will tell you how to save Dianthus for the next season. For that you have to watch this video till end. If you guys like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified. If you can save Dianthus during summer, then you will be able to make a lot of new saplings from the cutting during monsoon. Now it is mid of March. It is summertime. Temperature is pretty high now in daytime. My plants stay outside throughout the day. I have not moved them under shade, but they are doing pretty well. As you can see, they are so fresh and there are lots of flowers in my Dianthus. There are different types of Dianthus in my garden, different shades. This one blooms in bunch. All the Dianthus plant of mine are still giving a lot of flowers. This one is another variety of Dianthus. This one also blooms in bunch. These dried part of the plant, you can see, these are dried flowers. I have not pinched them yet because I will take seeds from them. These all are dried flowers. I will take seeds from them. I will make another video about collecting seeds from Dianthus, and I will link the video in the I button and I'll give the link in the description box. So I let these flowers dry in the plant. If I cut these dry flowers, my plants will be greener and there will be a lot of new growth in the plant. So to keep your plant fresh and alive, you have to remove the dried flowers. You have to deadhead or pinch the spent flowers every day. Whenever you see a spent flower, pinch them, otherwise they will grow seed like this. You have to pinch them. Oh, I also pinched a flower. So you have to deadhead this part. This part will grow seed if you keep it in the plant. I am deadheading another one. So if you deadhead them, your plant will be fresh and it will not grow seed. Whenever you see them, you just have to pinch them. If you do that, then your plant will not get dry in summer. If you see any dry part in the plant, dry branches or dry leaves, cut that part also, because when these dry part will come to the touch of water, they will cause fungus attack in your plant. So keep your plant healthy, and during this time don't repot your plant. Don't disturb the roots. If you want to repot them, then it will be better to do that during October, not in this summertime. Just let them be wherever they are. You can see there are so many dried parts. These are dried leaves and dry branches. Look at them, they got dried. So you have to remove them. Whenever you see these dry parts, remove them or cut that part, because when this dry part will come to the touch of water, they will cause fungus attack. Whenever you are watering these plants, and they will eventually get wet in water, and they will cause fungus attack in your plant. All these leaves are dry. These branches, they got dried. Yeah, these are dry flowers, you can see. So you must remove them. Don't let there be any dry parts in your plant, especially leaves or branches. If you live in an area where the weather is too hot, temperature is very high, then keep the plant under shade or semi-shade area. You can also keep them under a big tree. Don't keep them under direct sunlight throughout the day, because the summer is too hot in some region of India. So they can't tolerate too much heat during summer. Though it needs a lot of sunlight in winter, but during summer, don't keep them under direct light for the whole day. It would not be better for them, especially in May, June, when the sun is too hot. But if you live in a moderate climate area, then you don't have to move them anywhere. They will be totally fine. You can keep them under sunlight. That will be all right. This plant needs sunlight also. So for moderate climate, a full day of sunlight is totally fine. You don't have to worry about anything. During monsoon, keep them under shade. Don't get them wet in the rain. It will be better to keep them under shade, but if you forget to keep them inside and it got wet in the rain for once, that will be all right, but don't let them be outside throughout the monsoon. It will be harmful for the plant. They can't tolerate too much water. Their root will rot if they get too much water. So when it will be raining for 1 week or 2 or 3 days continuously, you keep them inside. It will be better. But for rest of the time, you can keep them outside. And sometimes in summer it rains in the evening, but that time you don't have to be too much cautious about this plant. It can tolerate little bit water, little bit rain is fine, but during monsoon, sometimes it rains for 3-4 days. That time you have to keep them inside. Otherwise, don't take too much pressure. It will be totally fine outside. So regularly during summer, we have to water the plants every day, but don't overwater it. Don't make the soil soggy. During winter, we say that you have to water when the soil gets dry, but during summer, you have to keep the soil moist, and they will be totally fine. So try to water every day. It will be fine if you water once a day, but check the soil whether it is moist or not. It will be better if you don't apply any chemical fertilizer during summer. Give them liquid fertilizer once a month, organic liquid fertilizer. This will be enough for that. Don't apply any fertilizer in June. It will be too hot during June, so don't apply any fertilizer, but give 1 mug of liquid fertilizer once in other months. I have made this liquid fertilizer by using mustard cake. It is rich in nutrients. You can apply this one. I will add the link in the description box and in the I button. You can go and check it out. Make this liquid fertilizer. This is good for all of your plants, and this will be enough. I have bought this Dianthus during winter of 2020. It was December 2020, and it gave me a lot of flowers that year, and it survived throughout the summer. And this year winter, I have also got a lot of flowers from this plant, and you can see This is still fresh. These are dry flowers. I have not deadhead them. I will get seeds from them. I have already made new plants from the seeds this year. I will show you. There are a lot of dry flowers, but they will give me a lot of seeds. And there are buds. New buds are still coming. Because this is summer, it has got a little bit dried, but it will not die. I can assure you, it will be totally fine. All of these plants, this Dianthus, I have grown them from the seeds of that plant, that Dianthus. I have collected the seeds and I have propagated these plants from the seeds during monsoon last year. And see, they are totally healthy and still giving a lot of flowers. I will collect seeds from these plants too. Soon I will upload a video how to collect the seed and how to save them. So that was it, guys. If you like my videos, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question regarding gardening, then please ask me in the comment section below. And you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook. See you in my next videos. Until then, stay safe and happy gardening.